Hey guys, it's NitroBex. Got another juice review for you today. Again, it's going to be on my main flavor profile. I apologize. Great deal in this liquid though, so I want to make sure you know about it. We're talking about Audiofog Ambient. Let's get into the pricing. Comes in one size. It's a ginormous 120 ml bottle. Comes with a flat cap and this dropper spout that I have on it. Yeah, $27, 120 mils. That breaks down to 23 cents per millimeter, per milliliter, not millimeter. 23 cents per milliliter. That's an extremely great value on juice. The device I'm going to be using on this one is Cardboard Box Mod Authentic Mutation X version 1, stainless steel Cherry Vapes Cloud Chaser 0.28. Let's get into the vape. This is a Max VG liquid again. I'm going to close my airflow down just a little bit so I can talk about this a little better. Okay. Now, first thing I pick up off of it is a mango. It's like a fresh, ripe mango. And then I get a watermelon behind it. Behind that watermelon, I get just a hint of cantaloupe. So all together, you have main flavors of mango with the sweetness of a watermelon with a little bit of the tartness of a cantaloupe, but not overpowering it. I've been able to vape on this one all day. Again, not one of my main staple flavors. Sorry, I don't look over the top excited about it. It is extremely economical though. You're looking at a juice, $27 for 120 mils. Drippers everywhere rejoice. There's cheap juice that's actually really damn good out there. This one, it's performed great. I struggled with it a little bit though, so this one gets a B.